Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have a few Hermes goodies to share with you that I haven't had a chance to reveal yet on my channel, and typically I will save items for true unboxings before I start using them, but in this case, confession, I did start using most of these items, so again, not a true unboxing. I've got one box here, 2, 3, and I guess technically 4, 5, and then a goodie in the back, which I will explain. So actually, some of these boxes are empty because like I said, I started using some of the items. I also received my brand new organizer insert for my Birkin 30, and it's right behind me. I will do a true unboxing of that and do first impressions as well. I got it from 7 Rue Paradis, or better known as 7RP. So we've got a lot to do in this video. So let me just get started with the bottom two boxes. So technically what was in these two boxes was this right here. I got this maybe about a month ago. This is the Ulysses notebook from Hermes, and it is in the beautiful gold Togo leather. So for those of you who don't own anything in the Togo leather, that's the type of leather that my Birkin is in. You may want to check out the notebook covers. There's this size, which is the MM. Then there's a smaller PM size, and there's also a larger GM size. So there are multiple options, and they do come in a variety of colors. But what's really cool is that they actually use the same Togo leather on this notebook cover. So if you wanted to test out Togo without committing to a Birkin, then you can get one of the notebook covers. So it does have the palladium hardware, which also matches, matchy. And like I said, I got the MM size. This one here currently retails for $345. So I'm going to open it up. I'll show you. There's notes. I already started using it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's that beautiful raw leather. And here it says Hermes Paris, made in France. Here I got this notebook separately. So I'll show you how it works. Open this up. Lots of noises outside, sirens, honking. Hopefully not too distracting. So this is the notebook. And here it says Hermes Paris, made in France once again, and it just snaps on here. So that's why there was these two separate boxes, because I had to buy the notebook cover and then I had to get the pages, the insert separately. So the one that I chose is the blank notebook, meaning blank pages. There are 100 sheets. There are also options for lined paper. There's also an address book with tabs, but I wanted this really simple one so that I can just take notes. Look how pretty that is too. How gorgeous. So the notebook itself is $75. So $345 for the cover, and then $75 for that plain paper insert that I got. And of course, as you use up the papers, you can refill. So how beautiful is this? I've been using this at home for notes. I write a lot, so I just love this. It feels so nice, and it's the perfect size. It will fit nicely inside my Birkin if I want to take it with me. So let me just put this up right here so you can see some eye candy while I go through the other ones. Then, let me jump to these here. So one of these is empty because I started using it, so I'll show you. This one here is the lip enhancer. It's really like a lip balm with a slight tint, and I got the rosy color. So I'll just show you really quickly. It actually comes with its own dust bag, and this is the color that I got right here, the rose, number 30. And this is the beautiful packaging. I mean, look at this case. It's so intricate and so gorgeous, and it is magnetic. And it is refillable. So if you think that it's expensive, this currently retails for $67. The case, this gorgeous case, is refillable. So if you use up the inside, you can always fill it back up. As you can see, I've already started using this, so it's kind of dwindled down a little bit. I find it to be soft, very subtle. Like I said, it has a slight tint. Very natural, and it has raspberry seed oil and I think also sesame seed oil, so it's nourishing, it's moisturizing, but it's not overpowering in any way. So this is really cute. This one I haven't started using yet. I'll show you the full packaging. This is the lip care balm. It has no color to it, so if you're starting to do early holiday shopping, you may want to look at this. It's a nice price for, you know, someone in your life who is into beauty or into luxury or both. Again, the presentation is gorgeous, And this one here is the lip balm with no color, as I said. So there you have it. And I'm really excited to start using this in the winter months as my lips do get really, really dry. And again, the magnetic closure. Oh, it's so pretty. So I really think that Hermes does a wonderful job with the presentation, the full package, right? And the lipsticks are new or newer to the Hermes lineup. They're actually not available. What am I doing? Oh, they're not available in all the boutiques, but I'm sure over time they will be. These are also available in the department stores. So if you have accounts with Nordstrom or Bloomingdale's or even Saks, I think, you should be able to get them and get points. I'll link it down below if I can find them at the department stores. Because like I said, if you're doing early holiday shopping, I think, especially this one, because it has no color, so you don't have to really fuss over, does it match the person's color preference, their skin tone. It's just a balm, so how gorgeous, and it just looks so luxurious. Okay, this box here, again, empty. I know this is not a typical unboxing, but I'll show you. Dun, 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 dun. Finally. I have an Hermes Bastia coin purse now. I've actually had this for a while, just never unboxed it, haven't started using it until recently, and it's filled with all of my coins. And I love this color combination. So a lot of the Bastias that you'll see have one color, but I love that this has a different pop of color and it has that gold shade that I love so much. So outside, it's kind of like this bright, it's like a pink. I don't know what color. It's not a typical pink. It's not red either. It's not orange either. It's a really gorgeous, unique shade. And I think it was called Rose Quebracho, I think. And this is the Mysore goat skin. And I just think it's really fun. I'm really excited to continue using this. Now, this back here is actually a giveaway item. Yes, so I am going to be doing a giveaway video soon, just not today. So I guess I'll keep this as a mystery, but stay tuned. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been watching me. I recently hit my 2-year YouTube anniversary and I received so many wonderful congratulatory comments from so many of you. So just really, really appreciative, really happy to do another giveaway. So stay tuned. I'll do a dedicated video on this giveaway. So I'll leave that there. And then let me unbox my 7RP insert and I'll do first impressions. This is a true unboxing. Just move everything out of the way. Okay, here we go. I did open the top, but I did not open the actual package. Again, this is from 7 Rue Paradis or 7RP. And it came all the way from France. And I got this lovely card. Marianne, who's the founder, she's been featured on some YouTube channels. I think Mel in Melbourne interviewed her. Yes, she did. It was a great video. And of course, they are on social media themselves, on Instagram. Marianne is a diehard Hermes fan and she's a collector herself. And she dreamt up this idea of finding a luxurious organizer insert for her Birkins and Kellys, and there was nothing on the market that was up to par, so she created her own company. So really cool. Look at this. Wow, look at this eye candy. So like I said, this came straight from France. It was made to order, so it took some time. The website says it takes about 10 business days, but it took about a month, and it did say on the website that processing was delayed. I guess they're just really busy. So yeah, it took about a month. All handcrafted, made to order by artisans in France on the French Riviera. Yes. Okay, let me get my scissors. You can see I got the matching gold color, but let's open it up. And the company is still fairly new. I believe the website said they started in 2016. So what is that, 5 years? And they have a small team of 8. And I just get really good vibes, you know? Oh my gosh, this is so well packaged. Wow. Okay, so that's so cool. Look at this. I'm very easily impressed. Okay. So here is Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, I didn't know what to expect. I do have organizers from other companies, but this was definitely more expensive for sure. But from what I researched, I could tell the quality and the craftsmanship was going to be absolutely impeccable. And I'm feeling this in my hands. It's so buttery soft, feels like suede. They use a fabric called Alcantara. And if you're not familiar, this is 100% Alcantara. If you're not familiar with that material, it's often used in luxury cars to line the interiors. It's used in private jets and yachts. Okay, so this is like high-end material. It feels like suede. It is this microfiber type of texture. What's really cool is that it is stain resistant, water resistant. It will not cause color transfer. My gosh, can you imagine color transfer from an organizer insert? That would be horrible. So there's no color transfer. Like I said, it's impeccably hand stitched. For this size, the Birkin 30, there are 10 pockets. Holy cow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then look at the bottom. It's so cushiony. Look at the way it's stitched. What is it? I wish you guys can feel this. It's so soft. So you can wash this. You can actually, this is machine washable. Oh, cool. Yeah, this Alcantara is a fabric that is machine washable, although it is water repellent. You can put it in the machine. I just wouldn't dry it. That wouldn't be recommended. Wow, so soft. So this is very similar, or maybe it's the same type of fabric as the microfiber lining that Louis Vuitton uses on some of their bags. So you guys, if you've been here before, have probably heard me gush about how soft the lining of the Pochette Métis, at least the monogram and the reverse monogram versions, so soft. So that's the feel that I rave about this all the time. And I talk about how the Empreinte versions have that striped cottony canvas that's kind of rough on your hands. It's just not the same. This feels so good. I know that there's the new Empreinte version, and I think it's coming out with this lining, which is great. I talked about that in my recent Louis Vuitton videos. But this is even more plush. It's just as soft, but more plush. I feel like there's I think they filled it. So in between the materials here, before they stitched it, I'm pretty sure it's filled with something, or it feels like it. It's very plush, like cloudy. So how gorgeous. Let me see how this fits. Like I said, this is quite pricey. So I did my research before I ordered it. This goes for 525 euros. So converted to US dollars is over $600. Let me see. But I figure if you're going to put something in your Birkin or your Kelly, they also make for the Eveline, and I think now also the Picotin. But they really specialize in Hermes bags. If you're going to put something in one of the Hermes bags, might as well be, something that's just as luxurious. Oh my gosh, the fit is perfect. It's perfect, meaning it is definitely fitted appropriately, but it's not snug, so it's not going to warp the structure or the shape. It's not going to push out the sides. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And I love how it matches perfectly, so it's really discreet, but some people opt to do pops of color just for, some fun. So there are a lot of color options. I think I counted 19 different colors on the website. They're probably going to add more too. So I'm going to have to follow up with another video soon showing what fits in my bag or what's in my bag with the organizer. I'm really excited to do that. But for today, I wanted to just unbox it and give you first impressions. I'm really glad I got it. Yeah, and it doesn't add to the weight of the bag very much. You know what? When I follow up with my next video, I'll also weigh this because I'm curious, and maybe some of you are curious. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I know there was a mix of lots of different things going on, but I wanted to update you all on some of the new goodies that I got and also this 7RP insert. And please stay tuned for the Hermes giveaway I will be doing soon on this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy this type of content, I would love for you to subscribe and join our community. Till next time, bye-bye.